Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is my topic is string handling and it is one of the most important topics in Java. So let's start now. So I'm going to discuss about what is the string, what is the string, what is the string buffer, what is the string builders classes, and what is the difference between them, what is the mutable, what is the immutable. So many things I'm going to discuss about in this video, so watch until end. So let's start now. What is a string? You tell first what is the string. String is nothing but the sequence of the characters. In Java, a string is defined as a sequence of the characters. It means that whatever you put inside the double quote, for example, whatever you put inside the double quote, that is called a string. Okay, it's clear. Next, but unlike many other language, it means C language. In C language or C++ language, we can consider a string is a character array. Okay, but in Java we can consider a string is nothing but one class, and this class is predefined class. You don't want to create this class, you just use this class. Okay, next I am going to discuss about how to represent a string in Java. How to represent. Okay, in Java handles a string by three classes. You can put your string data in these three classes. For example, first is a string. So it's one of the classes. You can put inside the string whatever you want. For example, in double quote you can write my name, hello Prince Kumar, hello any Sonu Kumars, anything you can write inside the double quotes. A string buffer having a same, but something different is that I'm going to tell later, so watch until end. And a string builder is having some different, but you can represent the string data in three classes only. Okay, next is all are defined in the package java.lang. Java.lang is nothing but it is one of the package. Okay, in this package having a all three classes, a string buffer and a string builders. So don't forget it when you are trying to use, then you have to definitely remember that java.lang is a one of the package, and inside this package having a three classes, a string buffer, a string builders. It's a inbuilt classes, you don't want to create it. Okay, next I'm going to discuss about what is the string versus string buffer versus string builders. So many things and so many topics. It's a very important questions in interview room. What is the difference between a string buffer and a string? What is the difference between a string builder? What is the difference between a string buffer and a string builders? So in these slides you can find out three types of the differences in the interview room. So interviewer can ask any kinds of the questions related to this, so don't forget it. Okay, first difference is a string is coming in JDK 1.0. Okay, a string buffer is also coming 1.0, JDK 1.0, but a string builder is coming 5.0 version. JDK 5.0 version is the latest versions, and we can say it's a very famous version. String objects are the immutable. A string is one of the class, whatever you put inside the strings, it is a immutable object and it is a immutable data. It means you can't change the data in runtime. That is called immutables. Okay, it's the meaning of the immutables. Now string buffer objects are the mutable. Mutable means you can change the data at runtime. So string buffers and string builders both are the mutables. And mutable, it means that you can change the data at runtime. You don't want to require any other variable to store the data and then concatenate. You can just concatenate the data, append the data through these string buffers and string builders. You don't require any other classes and anything. Okay, next, string objects are stored in the heap and string constant are stored in the string pool. So it's a very basic difference, and it is the one of the main difference we can say. Okay, string objects are stored in the heap area. It means if you normally create the object, it is stored in the heap area, But if you are creating the string object like a literals, then it is storing in the string pool area. Okay. Next, string buffer objects are the created and StringBuilder as objects are the created in both are in the heap area. Heap is one of the memory location, nothing that. Heap, method area, stack area, Java stack area, so many area are the divided in this your system. So we can say JVMs are the divided so many parts of this memory, and it will store every variables in the different types of the places and memory. Okay, next I am going to discuss a string is a thread safe. Okay, good. A string buffer is also thread safe, but a string builder is not thread safe. Why not thread safe? Because a string is used in this multi-threading concept. A string buffer is also used in multi-threading concept, and a string builder is not used in multi-threading concept, because it means what is the thread safe and not thread safe. Okay, I'm going to discuss later. Past performance and very slow. It's a fast performance because literals very slow performance, and builder is also fast performance. Okay, next is important fact about the strings. A string is the popularly in the most common use in the class Java library. A string class is the encapsulated under the java.lang package. In Java, every strings that create actually in the object type of the strings. Okay, it's some important point. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.